This is Health Spot TV, an informative and entertaining look into the world of health and wellness and the positive issues which affect and enhance the way we live and enjoy our existence.
Orthodontics is a specialty of dentistry. There are 9 different specialties in dentistry, orthodontics being one of them. And that deals with the alignment of the teeth and the jaws for both functional and aesthetic reasons.
My teeth were very crooked. You could see quite a bit of my gum. And I was just genuinely uncomfortable with how I looked.
Anna's main concern was she wanted to fix her teeth and her smile without going through jaw surgery, or what is called orthodontic surgery. Her second concern, which is just as equally important, was she wanted to go through the treatment by aesthetic means. She was 14 years old. She had many social occasions at that time. She's a popular girl, a beautiful face, and she had great concern. She did not want to wear braces at any point during treatment, and she made that perfectly clear from the get-go.
They're just so ugly. I just couldn't bear the idea to have braces on my teeth.
And the third concern was basically maintaining her teeth clean.
I saw some of my friends have a lot of difficulty with flossing. They couldn't get around their braces. They had trouble brushing. They couldn't eat things like popcorn and gum, which to me were simple luxuries.
We were able to address her functional and aesthetic concerns orthodontically without having to go through jaw surgery. Now we had to address her other concerns as well, aesthetics and function, and we were able to do that with the Invisalign appliance, which does the exact same thing as braces do, except it's an invisible appliance that the patients wear day and night that will accomplish the same goals.
At first I thought I was going on a bit of an impossible mission because I wanted perfect, straight, superstar teeth, but I did not want hunks of metal on them either.
When we talk orthodontics, the first thing that comes to mind are braces, obviously. And we all know these railroad track. They're made of stainless steel and they're glued right onto the tooth. They've been around for about 100 years. However, in the early 1970s, a newer type of brackets came on the market for the aesthetically savvy patient. The brackets are made up of cast porcelain. Because they're tooth colored, they blend in with the teeth a lot nicer. Unfortunately, we can't hide the stainless steel wire. And for the ultimate aesthetically savvy patients, the most recent product or the newest product are the Invisalign aligners. These are removable appliances that actually fit right on top of the teeth, and they're thin, see-through, and you can speak well with them. So they fit right over the teeth, and these are usually replaced once every 2 weeks.
Dr. Daher recommended that I do the Invisalign treatment. I was in fact a candidate, which I was very happy about because I thought that my teeth weren't going to be suitable.
On many occasions, I've seen patients in the office that come in under the impression that they are beyond help, and this is not true at all. We can change, we can move teeth in any mouth. Certain teeth will require more attention than others. Certain teeth are a lot more complex than others. But we have seen dramatic and drastic changes in patients physically and psychologically sometimes. The results are wonderful.
The moment that I decided that I really needed my teeth to be fixed, that was something that was very important to me, was definitely just I was clicking through pictures on the computer, and every time I'd see myself, I'd cringe at my smile. I wanted to change that. I wanted to be able to smile like every other kid who had perfect teeth, and I didn't want to be ashamed anymore.
Her first visit was a consultation visit, at which time we took radiographs and photographs. Her second visit was to take impressions of her teeth and send those off to Invisalign to the head office, whereby these impressions were scanned and a virtual 3-dimensional model was built. I was able to log in at that point and literally treat her in a virtual world.
It was really nice to see actual images of how they would change my teeth.
The company was able to fabricate these aligners and ship them to us. At that point, we called Anna for her first treatment appointment, insert the aligners in, explained to her what is expected of her, and gave her 4 aligners. And we saw her on average once every 8 weeks to follow up on treatment and make sure that her teeth are moving according to plan. An average orthodontic treatment will vary from 16 to 18 months. Whether it's braces or Invisalign, the appliance does not change the length of treatment. One of the major consideration prior to orthodontic treatment in general, and Invisalign treatment in particular, is patient cooperation and patient willingness to wear the appliance. Unlike fixed braces, Invisalign is a removable appliance. I want to make sure that my patient really wants the treatment and is willing to be cooperative, wear the appliance as prescribed from day one. Otherwise, that treatment option is out the window.
My experience with Dr. Daher was amazing. He was so nice, so funny, made you feel so comfortable. Even the very first time I came in here, I knew that this was the place that I wanted to be for the next year and a half. His staff are amazing as well. They're all such great people, and I was just very happy with everything here, and I was kind of sad to know that I wouldn't be able to come back for checkups and that, because they're all just so great. I love smiling now. I think the biggest reason that it's important to get your teeth fixed is just because of confidence. Being able to socialize more easily, be more comfortable at job interviews, at school. When you're laughing with your friends, you're not stopping yourself all of a sudden and closing your mouth. You're doing the complete opposite. You're laughing harder, you're smiling bigger, and you're just not afraid to show it off anymore. And moments like that just make you so happy. It changes you. Your smile changes you. I'm just so much more confident, and I love looking at photographs now just because in every single one I have these beaming perfect teeth, and I just look so genuinely happy. It's definitely been an amazing experience.
For more health videos, health news, or story ideas, please visit our website at healthspottv.com.